In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Safe Search in DuckDuckGo. Safe Search helps filter out explicit results so your searches stay cleaner and more family-friendly. DuckDuckGo gives you 3 levels: off, moderate, and strict. Off shows everything. Moderate removes most explicit content from results, and strict applies the strongest filtering. Here's how to choose the one that fits your needs. Start by opening the menu in the top right corner of DuckDuckGo. Depending on your device or layout, you'll either see the 3 horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu, or the small gear icon for settings. Tap or click that to open the options. From the menu, select Settings. This is where DuckDuckGo groups its privacy and search preferences. Once you're in Settings, scroll until you find the Private Search section. This is the area that controls how your searches behave, including filters and other privacy-focused options. In the Private Search section, look for DuckDuckGo Search Settings, where the Safe Search control is located. You'll see the 3 choices: off, moderate, and strict. To turn Safe Search on, pick moderate if you want balanced filtering that removes most explicit results while keeping general content accessible. Choose strict if you want the strongest filter, which is great for shared or younger users. You can switch between these at any time, so don't worry if you want to test what works best. After you make your selection, scroll down to the bottom of the page. If you see a Save and Exit button, tap or click it to confirm your choice. On some versions or devices, changes save automatically and you won't see that button. If that's the case, your new setting is already applied. A quick recap. Open the menu or gear at the top right. Go into Settings, scroll to the Private Search section, choose Moderate or Strict under Safe Search, and use Save and Exit if it appears. That's all there is to it. A couple of tips to keep things smooth. If you clear your cookies, use private browsing modes, or switch devices. You may need to set Safe Search again because the preference is stored in your browser. Also, Safe Search affects what DuckDuckGo shows in its results, but it can't change content once you leave the search page and visit other websites. Finally, if you share a device, strict is the most reliable way to keep results appropriate for everyone. And that's how to turn on Safe Search in DuckDuckGo quickly and confidently.